everyone. Have you heard of probiotics? They are getting famous nowadays since they deserve to be. Pro plus biotics signifies for life. WHO definition of probiotics is live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts on regular basis, confers health benefits on the consumer. These living microbial cells are incorporated into foods, mostly fermented milk products, which then in the intestine of the consuming person work together to change, re-establish and balance the intestinal microbial flora. In other words, probiotics are dietary supplements containing potentially beneficial microbes which convert sugars into lactic acid. This manifests as the characteristic sour taste due to acid content, and also the lowering of pH acts as a natural preservation. Examples of probiotics include certain species of Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, Bacillus, Saccharomyces, Lactococcus, Streptococcus, Enterococcus, and many others. Typical effective dose of these probiotics is about 10 million live microorganisms per day. These ought to be non-pathogenic in nature, obviously. The potential health benefits of probiotics include restoration of the normal balance of microbes in the intestines, help in treating irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), and many other gastrointestinal disturbances such as constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, flatulence, and bloating. They decrease even colic pain in the kids. They generally immensely improve the digestion. They have antibacterial, anti-allergic, and antioxidant activities. They provide vitamin K, folic acid, biotin, and thiamine, which is very important. They prevent upper respiratory tract infections as well as cancers and ulcers of stomach and colon, and also urinary tract infections a great deal. They replenish good bacteria in the digestive system and eliminates pathogenic and harmful bacteria by giving it a tough competition in a very simple and logical manner. Probiotics improve general body immunity and dental health. They are anti-allergic, antidepressant, and anti-anxiety. Lastly, how can we consume probiotics? They get developed in the sourdough bread prepared from any type of fermented dough, various sour pickles and chutneys, soya sauce, kefir, which is a fermented milk, buttermilk or chach, kanji, which is a traditional Indian drink made up of fermenting vegetables, and there are a lots of commercialized and branded milk-based products like Yakult and Nutrifit available in various flavors. These probiotics must withstand the acidic stomach environment as well as the alkaline conditions in the duodenum, as they have to pass through these areas so as to reach the large intestine and colonize there. Food containing these beneficial microbes should not be ever heated. These probiotics work best when added to cool food or cool drinks because they are living cells and they should be maintained in living condition to get the maximum benefit out of consumption of probiotics. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make these miraculous probiotics a part of your food and drinks. Enhance the quality and quantity of your lives. Please comment in the comment box about your feedback and inputs on this topic, if any. I thank you for watching my videos. That's all for now. See you soon. Take care and bye.